Welcome to Mystic Moments. I'm Mystic. Today we're going to talk about what to do when you don't know. You don't know what to do. Ask the question. Get ready for the answer. So, everybody has questions. But not everybody always asks the question. Your question is yours. So, choose wisely who you ask. Look around you. What are your resources? Is it the internet? Is it your mom? Is it your preacher? Is it your rabbi? Is it your cousin? Is it Google? There are no wrong answers. But when you go asking for answers, you need to be ready to hear the answer. And you need to be ready to filter the answer. Because if you ask Google, you will get an opinion from everybody. Everybody. That needs to be filtered through your own values and your own core beliefs. When you ask the question from your best friend, that answer is going to come with concern and love and trust that that answer is for you in your circumstance because they know and love you. If you ask your mom, that's going to come from a different place because moms have their own language. They're going to love you. They're going to want you to learn the lessons you need to learn. And they're going to guide you to make your own decisions. Because at the end of the day, self-care is the goal. So ask the questions. Consider your source. Be ready for the answer. You may not want to hear the answer. The people who tell you the truth are the ones you can trust. They're also the ones who are going to respect your decision to take the information they give you in the manner they give it to you and make your own decision. Make your own mind up. We all have a brain. We all have a question. We can all listen with our ears and our hearts and make the decision that is best for you. At the end of the day, your life is your own. And you do what you want with the answers you get, understanding that you get the consequences from your actions just like you got the answers when you asked the question. So, serve around common sense, do no harm, and take no shit.